We have a brand new tool this year that allows for tons of different search functionalities, whether that's sessions or looking through speakers or the topics. Here you'll find all sessions and events as we schedule competitions and networking events. Those will be featured here as well. You can search by sessions and workshops like in the classrooms, including hands-on sessions and specialty courses. You can also take a look at the education taking place in the expo, which includes demonstrations and presentations. We have our list of speakers. You can also search in the tracks and key topics to find out content on the hot topics in baking. You can even search by audiences. I highly recommend audience search if you're a cake decorator, if you're a wholesale baker, to find the sessions that are really tailored towards your part of the industry. Head on over to bakingexpo.com/education to learn more.